In this short video, I'm going to show you how to order for 2 members of staff on the Manpack side of the portal. So if we click in, it brings you to this page where you won't see any choices of garments because we haven't chosen the department or the member of staff that we want to order for. We can set up different uniforms for different departments, and that's one of the beauties of the Manpack side here. So it doesn't know what we want until we pick an employee. So we'll jump over here and select the depot. So we could have multiple depots here, but for the purpose of this, we've just got the one. And we want to order for a couple of staff in the embroidery department. So we choose embroidery, at which point we only have one uniform, so it only allows us to choose one uniform grade. And then we go down to employees and we get a choice of 5 employees. So we want to order today for Jason and Molly. So we click on Jason's name, it brings him up and all the relevant choices that he can have. So he wants a pair of boots, so we'll order him a pair of 9. We just wanted one of them. And he also wants some polo shirts down here, and he's large, and he wants 3 of those. So that's quite simple to do that, and then we just add it to basket down here, and away it goes up into the basket. Now we want to go back into embroidery, and we want to order for Molly now, and she requires some ladies' blouses. So she's size 10. And she wants 3 blouses, and that's all she wants, so we add that to the basket as well, and we can continue to do this and add as many employees as we want, but for the purpose of the video we'll just do the 2, and we go up to here and we have a look at the basket, and it gives us a running total of our basket. Now we view it, and it brings this up. Now from here you can see what you've ordered and how many you've ordered, and it gives you the names of the people that you've ordered them for. Now if we think Jason might have already had some boots, we could quickly go onto his name and it can show me his purchase history, and it would tell me the dates that he'd ordered the boots and when he last had them. Now he hasn't ordered any, so I'm happy to order them for him, and I'm happy that everything else in here is right and that the delivery address is right. At this point you can check all of these sort of things. Add any notes, so if you wanted to add a note, maybe these need to be delivered and left with security at the gate. All of that sort of stuff just gets put into the notes. PO number in here, which is mandatory, so stick a PO number in. Once you've done that, you check it out, and that's it. So that order comes through to us, we confirm it, it goes onto our production plan, and we send it out. And these 2 orders, although it's one order, it would come to you in 2 bags. So it would be boxed up, 2 bags, one for Jason, one for Molly, with a sticker on the outside with what they're having and their names and employee numbers, whatever it is. And that's it. Dead easy. Cheers.